Hi everyone, I'm Ryan at Marine Parts Source, and today I wanted to show you all this really versatile kit from Starbrite that allows you to easily descale or winterize the engine on your boat. It can be used for inboard or outboard engines, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. As you can see, it comes with this 5-gallon tank, which you would put either antifreeze or engine flush or Nutrisalt into. It comes with your gate valve that you can just easily screw onto the front of the tank like so. And it comes with this clear hose that you're going to use to connect to your boat's engine or the motor flusher, which I'm going to talk about in a moment. First thing you would do is simply screw on this fitting to the gate valve, and you connect the clear hose there. And then on the other end of the hose, you're going to have this other fitting, which has your basic garden hose threading right here. That's going to connect to a motor flusher. So when it comes to these motor flushers, there's several different kinds available. This is a really popular one, this round cup flusher. There's squared rectangular cups as well. There's a specific flusher for Volvo applications. There's an inboard engine flusher that kind of looks like a toilet plunger. And then if you've got a larger horsepower engine, we really recommend that you use a dual feed water flusher, because with a larger horsepower engine, it's going to pump more water faster. So by using a dual feed flusher, you're going to be able to support that, and your engine's not going to run dry while you're trying to perform this maintenance. Now, as I mentioned, you can use antifreeze if you're winterizing your boat. If you're descaling your boat, getting it ready for the spring, you can use engine flush to flush all the antifreeze out. If you're in a saltwater application, you may want to use a product like Volvo's Nutrisalt or Starbrite's Salt Off to pump through and clean the salt out of the engine's water system. So there's a lot of great uses for this kit. Again, it's pretty easy to use. If you've got any questions about this kit or how to properly winterize or descale your boat, simply need to call our ABYC certified experts at 866-388-0390. You can find us online at marinepartsource.com. Now please like and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.